This was the first custom keyboard I built. Wooden keyboards have been around for a very long time. When I first joined the custom keyboard hobby in 2021, as time passed, wooden cases just got less popular. And I would say that is due to its mounting. It was only tray mounted. Wooden keyboards come in a single piece and you can't gasket mount something like that. And with the gasket mount slowly gaining popularity, wooden cases kind of died off. But today we have a wooden case keyboard that is gasket mounted. Today we take a look at the MU01, starting with the accessories, which includes USB-C cable, mano, cloth, wireless receiver, switch puller, keycap puller, and this thing. I genuinely have no idea what's this. It's like loop but not. I have no idea. I don't know. And we have the MU01 that comes pre-assembled, a 65% wooden keyboard with triple mode connection, going at $120. With a sleek brass accent piece at the top, USB port on the right, it looks really good. Pre-assembled with the Mountain Seclusion MOA profile keycaps. The keycaps are PBT die subbed. It feels really nice to the touch, the board is hot swappable, and the switches installed are the Akko V3 Piano Pros. They are a 5-pin linear switch. I've heard many good things about these switches, so let's try them out. It honestly sounds really good for a pre-assembled keyboard. Till this day, I feel like I still kind of overreact to pre-assembled keyboards sounding good, but you guys do not understand how much modding and lubing was needed like 2-3 years ago to make a keyboard sound like that. But yeah, I'm still thankful for how far we have come. Anyway, let's disassemble it and take a look inside. We have 4 screws which essentially holds onto the brass piece at the front. Once we remove these 4 screws, we can remove that brass accent piece. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The plate sort of slides out from the top. Basically, it kind of slots itself into the board. With all that done, the whole keyboard will be disassembled. The brass accent piece, it doesn't do much for acoustics, but it fits really well with the board. Our FR4 plate. Akko's FR4 plate always looked and sound amazing, definitely pushes the board towards a deeper sound. But I think it fits the MU01 like really well. In terms of the gasket, we have the gasket sock mount. As for foam, we have plate, PE, case, and PCB foam, alongside somewhat of a tape mod at the back of our PCB. As for our PCB, hot swappable, 5-pin south-facing sockets with no flex cuts, which I actually prefer. A PCB without flex cuts, it's my personal preference. And it does support screw-in stabilizers, so huge W on this PCB. We have our switch to choose for different modes of connection right beside our caps lock key. Our wooden case is beautiful. I usually prefer a lighter color of a wooden case, but this is still really nice. We have a 4000 mAh battery for Bluetooth and our daughter board for USB-C connection. In terms of specs, I think Akko did a great job. I don't really see much flaws on this board, especially when it comes to my own preferences. The way they integrated the gasket mount into this wooden keyboard, it's basically like a genius idea. I don't think I've seen any keyboard like this. And it does make assembly really simple. So maintaining everything as it is, we'll change out our switches and keycaps, give it a little upgrade. Holy pandas, these were so popular back in the days as a pair with the wooden keyboard. They are 5-pin tactile switch, really popular. I'm sure you know what they sound like. But we're gonna move on to our keycaps. I have the latest Osume keycap set, the red pandas. It's actually like the perfect keycaps for a wooden board. The theme and tone of the keycap set, super cute and aesthetic at the same time. So with just a change of switches and keycaps, here's how the keyboard sounds. wooden keyboard with holy pandas has a special place in my heart. I love the sound of this thing. To keep it simple, the keyboard as a rating from myself is a 10 out of 10. But if I had to just like choose something to say it's bad, it includes screw-in stabilizers since the PCB does support screw-in stabilizers. But to be very fair to them, I didn't tune these stabilizers and they sound amazing. Like, as much as I want to hate on the plate mounts sound amazing, and if I had to tune them, I would rather tune plate mount stabilizers because you don't need to disassemble the whole board. So as usual, if you're interested in the MU01, I'll link them down below, and we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wooden cases. I'm so happy it's coming back, or like partially, and the integrated gasket mount. But aside from that, we have come to the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go and leave a thumbs up. Comment down below if you were part of the generation where wooden cases were really popular back then, and let me know what was your setup. And aside from that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.